Hi, my name's Mark Best, and today I'm going to cook you something truly delicious. It's truffled mac and cheese, a little bit upscale because of not only the truffle, but because of the beautiful cheeses that I'm using. Gruyere, Reggiano Parmesan, and farmhouse cheddar. Absolutely stunning with durum wheat pasta. I much prefer recipes that rely on weight, and by weight I mean metric, because of the accuracy, but mostly for consistency. And it makes all the difference, especially something like flour. Going by cups is horribly inaccurate, so always go by weight, please. There's no secret to the roux. You just add the flour and the butter all at once and make sure that you're following the recipe and weighing it. Proportion is everything. You just want to cook it over a moderate heat until the butter melts and the flour goes into what we call a blonde roux. So the milk is hot and the roux is now cool, and that stops it setting and clumping straight away. That's a little tip there. Start off adding a little bit at a time, stirring constantly. Once it begins to thicken, you can add it all at once. Season with salt, and I'm using some dried fresh bay leaves here. Fresh black pepper here for aromatic spice, and then freshly grated nutmeg. Much better than the powdered stuff you buy in supermarkets. A new jar of good Dijon mustard. Dijon and truffle is just one of those matches that were meant to be together. Stir and cook for another 10 minutes, and then we're going to add our grated cheese. We're saving the parmesan for on top. Stir it through until you get a good even consistency. At this point we can just turn it off and add our black truffle. Of course it's optional, but if you can, it's absolutely delicious. Black truffle responds to cooking very well. Cooking my pasta in chicken stock, which gives it a beautiful background flavour. This pasta, which is durum wheat pasta, takes around 9 minutes. It won't really cook in the roux too much more. We just want to add it to combine well. This is the consistency you're looking for. And now it's time to plate. Using a good solid oven-proof dish here. And just finish with that Reggiano Parmesan that beautiful golden crust. And we're ready for the oven. So this is the best bit. The smell from that cheese and the truffle cooked in the fats of the cheese and the cream are just incredible. And for me, the microplane is the thing. I mean, that really makes the truffle come alive because it just increases the surface area exponentially. Some incredible Indian pepper here as well. Absolutely fragrant, delicious, and just finish that dish, and it's absolutely stunning. This will feed 2 greedy people, but 4 usually. AEG, tradition and innovation.